Slightly late to the open here. Looks like SGN is ripping again. Let's check out the level 2. What else we got? Look at that opening surge. Nice. VWAP's all the way down here at 409 though. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Topping tail, 504. Let's see what else is going on. CYCN, NLSP, and KIT. Come on back down. Come on down, SGN. This is day 2. SGN, this is day 3, I guess, really. The big pop happened 2 days ago from 204 to 727. Red candle yesterday, but now we're gapping up today. So let's see what happens. To fill the gap from the gap up is down to 388. Oh, lower band KIT. No. Ah, bummer. That's a shame. That is a shame. Nice little pop off the lower band. That's all right. That's what happens when you're late to the market. That's what happens. Gotta get situated faster tomorrow. NLSP, what are you doing? Ooh, this one's above VWAP. A little bear trap at the open there. Look at that. Nice little bear trap right there. What was pre-market highs here? 344 or 341 rather. Okay, back to situated. Let's see what's going on. All down on SGN's at 383. All down on NLSP is 248. It's all right. Lower band's at 265, so shouldn't have to worry about that. Alt up 372 on NLSP. SGN, you gonna break that 485? Here we go on NLSP. Let's do it. Let's do it. Break that. What's the dailies look like on NLSP? We got a 200-day moving at 100-day moving average at 352. That's not great because that's not very far away. Let's go SGN, get smoked. Oh, SGN is getting smoked here. More. No. No, we need more than that. We need more than that. We need a bigger panic flush than that. Oh, I guess bear trap 303. Bear trap over 303. Same candle would have been better. Here we go, SGN. What are you gonna do? We need to preserve the green week in the small account here. It is Friday, nonetheless. So no big L's, and we remain green for the week. Need some buyers to come in there on NLSP. Unless it's going to just continue to flush down, which is fine by me. Show me 260s. Try to get as close as I can to that 265 area. Flush it, flush it, flush it. VWAP bounce. SGN. SGN gonna rip. Reverse hammer. Is it gonna rip? Is it gonna break highs here? Has to get through that 485 first before it even thinks about 504. Let's get up to just cruising off the lower band. That hurts my soul. That hurts my soul. That's only 6%. Only 6%. Don't get excited, kid. Don't get excited, kid. Need a bigger flush from you, an LSP. What are you scared, Mav? What are you scared, Mav? Let's see what other stocks are moving here. An LSP. You're looking interesting here, but you need way more volume in order to make me a believer. I'll get ready, though. I'll get ready. Let's see what happens on this next candle. That's the lowest volume candle so far, and it's coming back up to VWAP. So let's see what happens on this candle here. New minute just started. I want it to break 303 before I get excited. Another VWAP bounce, SGN, near the area. All right, here we go. Green candle picking up a little bit. Needs 303 though. Needs 303. Needs to break 3 first. There's 3. No, projection off of 301. Got to 301. 295, 291, 290. Buyers at 290. Buyers getting eaten. Nope. Buyers save the day for now. No love. Red volume bar much bigger than these green volume bars. Not what we want to see on a VWAP breakout here. What's ZKIN doing? 506%. Maybe a reverse split. KITT. Cruising off a lower band still. Let's get rid of this. I'm still looking for this panic flush down to 265. Maybe we get a pop back to 275 and be chilling for the day. Here we go. Flush it. NLSP. Flush it. SGN is having a battle over there at VWAP. Just battling it out. Who's going to lose this? Or who's going to win this, rather? Looks like there's a lot of selling pressure there. Let's go. Let's go, NLSB. Get smoked. I don't even know why this thing is keep acting like it's going to go over VWAP. It needs way more buyers in this. Way more buyers. Where are the buyers? Where are the buyers? TCTM up 100. Ooh, here it goes. Here goes a VWAP crack on SGN. Maybe we look for a bear trap, though. Maybe I look for a bear trap. Take it over. Oh, here we go. Volume coming in on NLSP. And got stopped pretty quick. SGN, I really thought that was going to break down right there. Still holding its ground. Trying to. Let's go, NLSP. Let's go, baby. Get that seller to come in. Get that seller to come in. We want to see 260s. There's 277 on the bid. Back to 280. All right, we're back. Ooh, pop there on SGN. Let's see what happens here. Is it going to curl? Alright, and we're back. Ooh, pressure on VWAP again, SGN. We need to find something to trade here. We need to find something to trade. The lower band's not coming on NLSP, at least not yet. Oh man, we're missing CYN this whole time. CYCN or whatever it's called. Oh, look at that bear trap. Pretty. Down at 314. All right, well, we got to wait for a pullback. Gotta wait for a pullback now. Let's see. Halt up's all the way up at 459, so we got space. Issues at 430. A little bit of buyers coming in on NLSP. Let's see if this thing pushes back to VWAP. New minute starting now. Still needs to break 303 though. If it breaks 303 though, I mean we got room. We got room. I like that risk to reward. Risk about 30, 50 bucks here if it falls underneath VWAP. If I get in around 303. So let's see. I'd like for that to play out. Kind of starting to curl a little bit, but I mean we're gonna have pressure here. You're gonna need more buyer volume. Oop, okay. There's a little more buyer volume. Not a lot, but the volume profile is starting to curl up as well. Let's see what we got here. One trade, everybody knows the rules. Get that snipe in. VWAP down at 356 on CYCN. CYCN's daily is looking like. All right, NLSP. I see you. Oh, you're getting smacked. Get flushed. More. Oh, come on, garbage. Gotta keep that risk tolerance tight. I needed that flush down to my area at 265. For now, we wait. Garbage. Patience, young squire. Oh, 1 minute to make a new high here. See if CYN breaks 4. Nope. Topping tail, like 5 topping tails in a row actually. feel like I'm getting a little impatient. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Green at 398 there. No, rejected on CYCN. Let's see if does this thing want to break 4 here? It's tough to convince me to try to chase this over 4 after these topping tails. There's a break over 4. It held. Oh, back to 4. See, I would have been shaken out already. Yeah. Gotta look for a higher accuracy trade here. Come on, boy. Let's go. Stay focused. All we need is like 5 cents somewhere. 5 to 10 cents somewhere. More. Can't risk that. Can't risk the EMA bounce. Need more. Frontside VWAP bounce, maybe? Hammer? Half off? Buyer at 375. See if 375 holds. There we go. Decent. 379. No real love bounce. I'm going to jump out there at 380. 22 bucks. That's all right. That's all right. Hey, we still got cash left. Let's go, boy. Now we get to wait for more stuff to not materialize here. How many more trades we got left? Already got one. Rolled up in my left hand. Could take 500 shares on the lower band. Decent, but not great. Or we could call it a day and lock in the green week with the small account. 1 minute to make a new highs at 381. Oop, there's 385. 386. Back to 381. Yeah, see, it's just, I don't have a lot of confidence here. This big red volume candle kind of puts a bad taste in my mouth. SGN, what are you gonna do? What happens if this gets back to VWAP though? MACD is still kind of trying to curl. So if this is, do I have enough cashola? No, I do not have enough for 500 shares at VWAP. Hey, if this holds above 381, this could make a move back to 4. Held. 381, 380, pressure. Is it going to break down or break out? Let's see what's going on here. Ooh, that's a breakdown for now. VWAP bounce? Not for me. I already took the first VWAP bounce on the front side. Now this is starting to get into the range area, lowering my accuracy rate. Let's check NLSP. This might be it. Unfortunately, we missed this entire front side run. Looking at some other garbage stock. That's a 30% move from yay to yay. But at least we got the first kind of big pullback to VWAP. All right, I'm happy with that entry. I guess I'm not really happy with that entry. It got me in at 374. It's kind of a high entry, and that was on that red candle. We're gonna have to go back and watch that YouTube video because that got me an entry here. And I know I smacked the buy ask, but I didn't think I was gonna get like 8 cents of slippage there. I'll have to go back and see what exactly was on the bid and the ask when I smacked that buy button. All right, here goes that push back to 4. Does it have what it takes? I don't have enough cash to throw at this one anymore, though. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. So that breakout or breakdown level ended up being a nice little bear trap. This looks like a bull trap, though. Careful, careful, careful. Here comes a panic flush. Panic flush if it doesn't hold the level. Ooh, saved by the bell. Saved by the bell. Lower halt downs at 312. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it. I don't have enough cash to be throwing at 430 for the high day break or anything. Well, I guess I could see what's going on in SGN. I don't want to get caught in a bull trap and then a flush. But if it lower bands, 265, baby, 265, 265. Give me the bid. Give me the bid. I'll go a little bit above 265. Trash. It's all right. I'm looking for a high accuracy, so I didn't want to necessarily chase it, and it didn't get as low as I wanted it to. But I'll leave that order there in case this still starts coming down. Actually, if it comes down, it might come lower. So let's reset. Let's reset. Would have been nice if it all happened on the same minute, but it's okay. Only got to 270. Still need 265. There we go, 430, 433, CYCN. 438. Already got one built up in my left hand. Let's see, I'm other than this one, man. We need to fix this ring light, eh? Maybe if I get like 10 likes on the YouTube video, I'll fix the ring light. I don't see that happening. But if it does, I appreciate the love. Oh, 450, what's going to happen at 450 here on CYC? And I feel like I'm just like narrating at this point because like I don't, unless we get another panic flush down to 265, I'm not chasing CYCN and ruining my Friday gains or the Friday week or the week. Since I started the small account challenge, this is day 4. This is 3 green days in a row. The only red day was $3, so that's solid. Solid start. Solid start to the YouTube journey. Let's get it. $274, $270, $270. The only thing is this gonna flush underneath lower band now that it's had selling pressure the entire day. You know what? I'm gonna let it go. We're gonna lock it in at. Oh, you can't even see it. You can't even see it. We're gonna lock it in right there at 22 Bone Thugs and Harmony. And that's going to be all. That's going to be all. Let's quickly recap. We were late to the party here on CYCN watching some other garbage stock. We took the first panic flush while still on the front side move. We took the first panic flush down to VWAP. I got a little bit of a high fill, but, nonetheless, we took 22 and a half bucks out for the small account. Nice little W for the small account. And that's a nice green week for the small account too. I'm out of here. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you next week. Peace.